Namaste. I have for you today a class excerpt that's featuring 4 distinct dynamic yoga movement drills. And it doesn't really include a warm-up, so I do recommend you get warmed up before diving into this, and I do have some dedicated warm-up videos on this platform. But it is kind of a little mini practice in and of itself. So there is a longer version that's available on this platform. Please contact me if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy.
Nice straight legs. Head hangs, spine goes into traction. And then firm the quads, super firm quads, head goes down a little bit more. Ooh, and then roll up, palms together, inhale. That's all the way up, inhale to the top, turn out the toes. Oh, we lost Kelly. Exhale, horse. Up. Turn the toes forward, exhale, dive. Flat back. Just hang. Roll the inner knee back. The inner chip of the knee. The internal rotation of the thigh. Roll it back. And feel the relationship between how, if you roll your inner knee back, your head can go down a little bit farther. See if you can find that connection. And then palms come together, rolling up. Inhale. All the way. Turn the toes out. Horse. And then turn the toes forward. So this is the drill. Back and forth a few times. Forward fold. Rolling up. Toes turn out. Horse. And up. Toes. Toes forward. That's it. Fold. Up. Big inhale on the up. Toes. Horse. Up. Toes. Fold. Roll up. Toes. Horse. And one more of those. Okay, toes. Fold. Rolling up. Toes. And horse. Perfect. See, horse is getting pretty comfy cozy by now, isn't it?
It's pretty for sure.
Okay. Let's do a couple of these nice swirl. Ooh, just kind of reach. Remember this one? Yeah, this is kind of very Qigong, so we kind of reach, but we come into this Parshva shape, and then we trace the lung meridian through horse. Yes, and then other side. Oh, wait, the heel of that bent leg. Reach. Straight elbows, Robert. Trace. See, elbow is the knee of the arm. We were talking about this last night. Trace. Ooh, I think this one's going to take us down. And reach. Trace. It's like there's no rest in this. The only rest is that it keeps moving. Last one. Trace. This one going to take us down. Reach. Woo, turn. Boom. Step it back. Dog and tread. Whew. And then come on down. Let's take a child's pose. So we're in child. And then let's do some of these extended cat wave. Pull. Roll. Into this upward dog with the knees down. Pull it back. And pull. And pull. Last one. Tuck the toes, lift the knees, upward dog. Great. Sitting back. Okay, so I think I want to work on a few of these drills. Remember this one? So this movement actually that we'll do specifically is building this line that we need for this horse. We need this for the Upavista. Okay, but we're going to start. Let's start with this one. So let's just do one or two of these. You don't want to overdo. Great. And then the next time your hands come up, we're just going to turn that back knee 90 degrees. So we're in this shape. This is it. And then Parshva, this is like that Parshva Konasana movement. Ooh. Okay, Robert, I think you've got your hands a little bit too far apart from each other. Yeah.
That's what the shoulders say.
Last one. And then when we come up to here, okay, this same hand as leg is going to circle down in front of the face, and we come here. We We've done this before. Bring it up. Whoops. Circle. And then bring it up. Last one of these. Comes in front of the face. That's it, Robert. Circle. Ooh, bring it up. Whew. Let's just go to the other side. Wow. Okay, so it's a very messy transition, so we're just going to go right to the other side with those 3 movements. Last one. Turn, facing the front. Great. So we're getting the stretch on that inner thigh, inner groin of that bent leg. Last one. This is it. Okay, then that outside hand, inside hand does the circle. Yes, and up. And circle. This is that Parshvakonasana right here. And up. Ooh, I think we're going to have to do something relaxing. Next one will be the last one. I know it was a very sloppy transition there. Last one. Whew. Wow, you guys, you're doing great. Whew. Okay, let's bring this down. And let's stabilize this in this Mandukasana. So, Robert, you might want to have to be sitting on something. Okay, so we got our knees apart and our toes pointing together. Yeah, our toes are kind of pointing towards each other. Are you able to sit like this, Robert, at all?
On a brick.
Yeah, brick is fine. We have wide knees and closed toes. Okay, and then if you're able to sit like this, it doesn't matter if you're sitting on the support, that's totally fine. But we're just going to see if we can take it forward. Because all that kind of dynamic business we just did, we just prepped our inner thighs to do this. This is all building this Upavista, Chinese splits, all that. Horse, we need that stretch for horse. That's it, Kelly got the prop. How is it, Kristen? Are you sitting all the way down?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Oh, well, no, let's redo that. So, does my butt stay between my feet cradled and then I come down, keeping the butt there?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. And then it'll just, like, as you relax into it, eventually it's going to come all the way down.
Yeah, I mean, it came up a little, and I had to readjust and make my butt go back.
you.